Hello and good evening to everybody who's on my website and considering buying a home in the Charlotte market, but who has a home to sell somewhere else first. We are launching a new initiative on the website to help our buyers get their home sold in other markets. If you would be interested in having your home listed for sale on my website in an effort to get you a little extra traffic, please have your realtor contact me. Have them send me photos, a link to the virtual tour, any statistics about your house, or any information that you feel to be compelling. I will be glad to post your home for sale and cast the web a little wider. I'm really excited about this. I hope you'll bear with me as we work through the kinks because it will be an entirely new section of the website, but I really hope it will help you get your goal accomplished, which is getting moved to the sunny South and to Charlotte, which you're going to love. Call me or email me with any questions, and I can't wait to see you when you get to Charlotte.